Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Go.
Good morning, students. Today, our new topic is law of exponent, laws of exponent on real number. Okay. Last year in the 8th class, you already know about the exponent. So first I will explain all the rules. What is exponent and what are their laws and which they are apply on the real number. Like I have written like this, a raised to the power n. It means a is your base and n is the exponent. Power भी कह सकते हैं आप. And a is the, this is your base. Like I will take one example. Here 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. Okay. Or when we expand it to raise to the power 4, when we expand it, so you can write like this. 2 raised to the power 4, you can write like this. You have to write 2 4 times. Okay. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. When you find the value to raise to the power 4, it is equal to 16. Now there are some rules and laws which apply on the real numbers. The first one is the first rule is, you will write down on your notebook also. The first rule is when the base are equal and power is given in the different form. Base are equal, a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power m. Here the multiply sign is given. When the base are equal, then the powers are added. This is your first rule. I will take one example. 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 3. This is equal to, your base is 2 and power is 2 and 3. So when we add it, 2 plus 3, it is equal to 2 raised to the power 5. And when we find the value of 2 raised to the power 5, it is equal to, you can write it 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is equal to 32. Okay. When you multiply 2 5 times, then it is equal to 32. Don't write it 2 5 ja 10. No. 2 raised to the power 5, it means you can write 2 5 times. Next rule is a raised to the power n divide a raised to the power m. When the sign is given divide, base are equal but power is different, then which rule is applied? N minus m. Then the power are subtracted. Okay. When base are equal, here the sign is given divide, then you can subtract the power. I will take the example. 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. Here the base are equal. 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. Base are equal, then the power are subtracted. Then your answer is 2 raised to the power 3. And you can write 2 raised to the power 3. It is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. You can write 2 3 times. Then it is equal to 8. This is your answer. Okay. Now the third rule is, your third rule is a raised to the power n into b raised to the power n. Here now the base are different. Start. Yes, your third law is when your base is given different. Here in the first, a raised to the power n multiply b raised to the power n. Your base is different and power is same. Power same hai and base is different. Then what the rule apply here? Base are multiplied together and the power remains the same. Power same रहेगी और base are multiplied like this. 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 and power be same. Power remains the same. Okay. So it is equal to 6 raised to the power 5. Now our next rule is a raised to the power minus p. When the power is given in the minus form, then it is written like this. You can write like this. In the denominator, it becomes the positive, like this. 2 raised to the power minus 3. I am taking example one by one. Okay. For every rule. 2 raised to the power minus 3, it is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Denominator में आ जाएगी. Denominator में power become positive. So it is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. It is equal to 1 upon 8. Now the next rule is when this is given in this form, a upon b raised to the power p minus p, then what rule apply here? You have to take the reciprocal. A upon b, you will take the reciprocal of this rational number. It is equal to b upon a and power become the positive. I will take the example of this law. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2. Then you have to take the reciprocal of this rational number. When we take the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, it is equal to 3 upon 2 and power become positive. So it is equal to 3 into 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2. It is equal to 2 into 2. So it is equal to 9 upon 4. And your next rule is when taking power as a power, a raised to the power p, again taking power as a power, then the power are multiplied together. P multiplied by q, it is equal to pq. You can write like this. Base is a and power are multiplied together. Like this, I am taking the example again. 2 raised to the power 2, again power 3 है. Power taking power. Power के ऊपर again power है. So the power are multiplied together. 2 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 3 2 ja 6. When you solve 2 raised to the power 6, you can write 2 6 times. Okay. Our last rule is a raised to the power 0. It is equal to 1. You can write any base. 2 raised to the power 0, it is also equal to 1. 10 raised to the power 0, it is also equal to 1. And our last one more rule is a raised to the power m upon n. How you can write this? N sub root a raised to the power m. This rule you have not studied in the 8th class. Now a raised to the power m upon n, you can write like this: n sub root, not whole number, n sub root a raised to the power m. How you can write this? Like 4 raised to the power 3 upon 2. How you can write this? How you can write this? Root 4 raised to the power 3. Okay, ये 1 upon 2 है, it become root. Now I will take some examples and we will apply these rules. Our first question, your NCERT book, exercise 1.6. (64) raised to the power 1 upon 3. Now 64, you will take the prime factorization of 64. 4 16 ja 64, again 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4. This is 4 raised to the power 3, and power again we have given 1 upon 3. Now power के ऊपर again power, taking power as a power are multiplied together. 3 cancel with 3 and your answer is 4 raised to the power 1. It means your answer is 4. You can write like this. One more question I am taking. 9 raised to the power 3 upon 2. You will first factorize, take the prime factorization of 9. Prime factorization of 9 is 3 into 3. It means you can write like this: 3 raised to the power 2. And again your power is given 3 upon 2. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Then power are multiplied together. Cancel 2 with 2. So 3 raised to the power 3. It is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. It is equal to 27. When the power is given in the minus form, 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. ये सेकंड का फोर्थ पार्ट है. 125, we will do the prime factorization of 125. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. Now 125 is 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. It is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. So you can write like this: 5 raised to the power 3, and your power is given minus 1 upon 3. So power are multiplied together. Cancel 3 with 3. 5 raised to the power minus 1. Which rule is applied here? A to the power minus p, it is equal to डिनोमिनेटर में जाके वो पावर क्या हो जाती है? आपकी पॉजिटिव बन जाती है. सो इट इज इक्वल टू 5 रेज टू द पावर 1. ये डिनोमिनेटर में जाके ये पावर क्या हो जाएगी? आपकी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. Yes. Now, when the question is given in this form, 7 raised to the power 1 upon 5, and denominator में given है 7 raised to the power 1 upon 3. This is also the base are equal. And the question is like this: a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. When your base are equal and divide sign is given, then you will subtract the powers. So how you will solve this question? 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3. So then you will take the LCM. 5 3 are 15, or both are the prime number, so multiply together, take the LCM. 5 3 are 15, 3, and 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 5, and your answer is minus 2 upon 15. ये आपकी power आ गई. Now your power is given in the minus form. How it become the positive? 1 upon denominator में जाके this power become the positive form. Okay. One more question I am taking, then I take some extra question and give you assignment, and the last assignment answers will be given to you today. 7 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Now your base is different. When your power is same and base are different, power is same and base are different, then the base are multiplied together and power remains the same. So you will multiply the base and power remains the same. So then your answer is 56 raised to the power half. तो ये आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. These questions are related to the NCERT book. Now I will take some extra questions. See properly and note down in your notebook also. (16) raised to the power half, and again power is half, taking power as a power. Then how you will solve this question? First, 16. The prime factorization of 16 is 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. It is equivalent to 2 raised to the power 4. And the power is given half, and again power is given half. So how you will solve this? First you will multiply together this power, and then half power is outside the square bracket. 2 2 are 4. Now 2 raised to the power 2 and again power half. It is equal to, power are multiplied with the power, cancel 2 by 2, and so 2 raised to the power 1, your answer is 2. Okay. So in these questions, when this number is given in this form, first you have to factorize the number and take how many powers are there. Base is 2 and powers are 4. Okay. And this power is given, and outside the square bracket, half power is again given. So first you will multiply these powers, 2 2s are 4, and again outside the square bracket, half power is given. Then you multiply 2 by half. It is equal to 2 cancel with 2, and so 2 raised to the power 1, it is equal to 2. Now your question is 81 upon 16 raised to the power minus 3 upon 4. Multiply 9 upon 25 raised to the power 3 upon 2, divide by 5 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3. This is your question. Okay. Now how you will solve this question? First, take the prime factorization of 81. 81, take the prime factorization. 3 raised to the power 4, and 16 is 2 raised to the power 4. Take the prime factorization. 2 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 4. It means this is equal to 3 upon 2 raised to the power 4. And again your power is given minus 3 upon 4. Now 9. 9 is 3 into 3. 3 raised to the power 2. And 25 is 5 raised to the power 2. So this is equivalent to 3 upon 5 raised to the power 2. And again your power is given. Your power is given 3 upon 2. Divided by, this power is given in the form of negative form. So when the power is given in the negative form, you will first take the reciprocal of 5 by 2. It is equal to 2 upon 5 and the power become positive. Now it is clear to you. Now 4 multiply by 4. Multiply by minus 3 by 4. Cancel 4 with 4 and this is equal to power multiply by power. 2 multiply by 3 by 2 divide by 2 by 5 multiply by divide 2 upon 5 taking power as a 3. So 3 upon 2 your power is minus 3 and 3 upon 5 power is 3 divide by 2 upon 5 power is 3. Now it is clear this question. Now power, when the power is given in the negative form, how you can change this? Three upon 2 power is in the minus form. So then you will take the reciprocal of this number, 2 upon 3, power become positive and multiply 3 upon 5, power है आपकी 3. So you can write like this, 3 into 3 into 3. It is equivalent to 27 because the base are not given equal here. So 27 upon 125 divided by 2 raised to the power 3, it is equal to 8, and 5 raised to the power 3, it is equal to 125. So 2 multiplied by 3, 2 raised to the power 3, it means 2 into 2 into 2, it is equal to 8, and 3 raised to the power 3, it is equal to 27. And this divide sign is given. So multiply and take the reciprocal of this number. 125 cancel with the 125. Now your next step is 8 upon 27 multiply 27 upon 8. Cancel 27 by 27 and 8 by 8. Your answer is, in this question, it is equal to 1. When this type of questions are given to you, x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power b, and outside the bracket it is given a plus c, and x raised to the power b upon x raised to the power c, and here it is given b plus c, and multiply x raised to the power c upon x raised to the power a, c plus a is given. Find the value. Yes, student. Now in this question, you have to find the value of this question. So how you will find this? Now base are equal. Power are here is given A and here it is given B. So power are subtracted. And here base are again equal. Power are subtracted. Now base are again equal. पावर आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड. ये पावर जब ऊपर जाएगी तीनों तो ये क्या हो जाएगी? नेगेटिव हो जाएगी यहाँ पर. ठीक है. और ये है आपका C प्लस ए. नाउ पावर को पावर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. a माइनस बी को a प्लस बी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. b माइनस सी को b प्लस सी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर. एंड c माइनस a को c प्लस a से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट इज इक्वल टू c स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर. सो इट इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. It is equal to b square minus c square, and this is equal to c square minus a square. Now again the base are equal and the power will add. You will add the power. So a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. When the base are equal, here multiply sign is given. Which rule you are applying here? Base are equal, then the powers are added together. Okay, cancel a square with minus a square, minus b square with plus b square, minus c square with plus c square. Now x raised to the power 0, क्योंकि सारी पावर आपकी क्या हो गई है? It is cancelled. So x raised to the power 0, it is equal to 1. Now students, I hope you all understand this topic, and you have to complete this exercise from your NCERT book, and I will give you one assignment also. If you have any doubt regarding the exponent and power, then you can ask, please.